Hello, good morning everyone. Students, today we are going to revise our first chapter, that is God, Man and Machines. Students, as you know, all have a unique brain. Who made us? God made us. And God create a man with a unique brain. As for example, some of you take first position and someone is taking second position and third position, fourth position, fifth position, and some are not taking any position in the class in examinations. Why? Because everyone has a unique brain. They have a different powers to learn, think, remember and to decide. That's why all are not taking same position in the class. Okay. So our man has the power to learn, think, remember and to decide. Our brain has the power to learn, means किसी भी चीज़ को याद करने के लिए जो कैपेसिटी चाहिए वो कैपेसिटी कहाँ है? हमारे ब्रेन के पास है. ओके. थिंक, सोचने के लिए. रिमेंबर, याद करने के लिए. एंड टू डिसाइड, डिसीजन लेने के लिए. ओके. हु हैज़ ऑल दीज पावर्स? आवर ब्रेन. Man invented machines to help him in different ways. We have different types of work. For example, making juice, washing clothes and for calculation. Okay. Man invented a machines, juicer, mixer for making juice. Okay. Washing machine for washing the clothes. Computer, calculator for doing calculations. Man invented machines to help him in different ways. All machines have a different type, sorry, all machines have a different quality, or you can say specific work. All machines are used for a specific work. Machines need power to operate. All machines needs power. Some are run by man-powered and some are run by electric-powered. Now, which one is called man-powered machines and which one is called electric-powered? The machines that are run by man-powered are called man-powered machines. For example, your trolleys, hand pumps, cycle, rickshaw, all these are man-powered machines because human beings use their force to run them. Human beings use their force or pull to run them. That's why all these are called man-powered machines. Next one is our electric powered machines. Electric powered machines are those machines that are run by electricity. Or you can say that are run by electric powered. Okay. Examples of electric powered machines are heater, washing machine, fridge, cooler, AC. All these are electric powered machines because they need electricity to run. Okay. Students, as you know, some machines are also battery powered. Okay. Now we are going to discuss battery powered machines. Some machines run on batteries. Examples of battery powered machines are torches, because torches need cells to run. Toys. Children's uses toys just like car, robots, etc. All these are the example of battery powered machines. Your calculator is also a battery powered machine. Your wristwatch is also a battery powered machine. Okay. Students, some machines are run on both. For example, run on both electricity and batteries. Example, laptop. It can be run by battery or electricity. Mobile phone is a battery powered machine because it is run by battery, but it can run on directly electricity also. Now, how do machines help you? You know how machines help you? Machines help you in many ways. Okay. Machines help you in many ways. They make your work simpler. वो आपके काम को क्या करती है मशीन्स? इजी बना देती हैं, सिंपल बना देती हैं. ओके. They save energy and time. Machines save energy and time. अगर आप हाथ से कपड़े धोते हो, it will take too much time. Heavy clothes, brushing, soap, etc. taking so much time to wash heavy clothes. But when you wash the clothes with a washing machine, it saves your time. In a short period of time, you can wash many clothes. Okay, means your energy is saved, your time is saved. Okay. They work faster than men. Machines are faster than the men. As you know, when you do calculations with the help of computers, long calculations, or for searching information, they they machines help you to save your time, and these are faster. For example, अगर आपको सपोज करो बल्लभगढ़ में और आपके जहाँ भी आप रहते हो वहाँ पे आपकी कोई सेम दुकान, ठीक है, आपको वहाँ से वहाँ का डेटा चाहिए. तो अगर आपके पास मशीनरी नहीं होगी, कंप्यूटर नहीं होगा, ईमेल फैसिलिटी नहीं होगी, तो पहले कोई बंदा मोटरसाइकिल से जाएगा वहाँ पे, वो वहाँ से रिकॉर्ड लेगा, तब आपके पास लाएगा, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूम होगा. लेकिन अगर आप यूज़ करते हो, when you use computer or internet with the help of mobile, you can take the records from there and you can use in your city. Means machines are faster than the man. They can save energy and time. Okay. They needs energy to work, but machines also needs energy to work. They also help in communication. For example, machines are help in communication. Example is your mobile phone. You are in, suppose you are in your school, Chandpur, and you want to talk at your home for something, or for sickness or any purpose. You can call your parents from there. You can communicate, you can share your feelings. Okay, you can share your thing, the whatever you want to say, that you can share your matter. Means they also help they also help in communication. A computer is an electronic machine. Computer, which type of machine? Computer is an electronic machine. It needs electricity to work. Computer needs electricity to work. Just like other machines, computer also needs electricity to work. It helps you to it helps you to do things quickly and easily. You can do different types of calculations, big calculations with the help of computer. uh, very quickly, very easily, and you can maintain many sorry you can store large number of data into the computer. Okay students, now I will give you some questions. You have to find the answers of these questions, okay, and write in your notebook. What is the spelling of faster? What is the spelling of faster? Energy, batteries, and electricity. You have to find all these spellings and write in your notebook by learning. Next question. Write the name of one battery powered machine. Write the name of one battery powered machine. Third question. Write the name of two man powered machine. Write the name of two man powered machine. Next question. Write the name of two electric powered machines. Write the name of two electric powered machine. Next question. How computer helps you? How computer helps you? Students, your homework is read this lesson thoroughly, revise exercise questions, and find the answers of these questions and write in your notebook. This is the homework, and this is I I have gave you these questions for the revision of your exam. Okay, bye bye, take care.